is Edward Markey. I'm Manufacturing Intelligence and Visualization Team Lead for Turbines in Civil Aerospace in Rolls-Royce. It's a massive honour to be inducted and shows the effort that I've been putting in my space is well recognised, not only in my business but my manufacturing peer group. As crazy as it sounds, I've never known it was the career for me, as a lot of my career has been accidental. But what I would say is that I have realised I had a knack for a lot of the elements as I moved through the industry. What is inspiring is the sheer breadth of knowledge and roles you can attain, yet never feel like there's nothing left to learn. I'm learning every day, even now after 28 years in manufacturing. It sounds corny, but everyone I've ever worked with has helped shape my view of the industry and helped my personal development, whether that be that I should aim to be more like them as an example, or that I should avoid being like them. The pandemic was very bad for my company due to our revenue generation model. Times were very uncertain and many were furloughed. However, in the digital space, our workload actually went up. The business embraced digital networking tools and generated a new way of working remotely that helped the business stay stable and plan for the recovery when the pandemic was over. We have retained and developed these ways of working and are now a much more agile business because of it. Our supply chain is very large and there is currently too much volatility in our supply chain. This can greatly affect our ability to deliver our commitments. So to combat this, we are trying to digitise our supply chain so that we have a digital thread running completely through the business so that we can leverage advantage from it, such as prescriptive analytics, BI and automated planning. In the words of Arnold Schwarzenegger, do it now! In all seriousness, there are such a wealth of roles and experiences available in manufacturing that you can find yourself moving around a lot and possibly being 360 degrees away from where you originally planned to be, but in a good way. Or if you want, you can stay in one specialism if you love it, and manufacturing as a whole is a good, solid career choice.